Hi guys, welcome to our video. How looking rich on Instagram is translated into making you rich in real life.
So much money.
I'm your host, Brooke, and
Marco.
you see that? We are trying to teach you proper etiquette in order to live the fanciest life that you could ever live. Because if anyone is going to teach you, I believe it would be myself, my partner. Okay, look, back in the day, nobody understood that Instagram was ever going to be what it is today. Like, I just want to be 100% real with you. Like, Instagram, for me, I look at it and I remember, like, getting frustrated at people. Like, she has so many likes. And I remember getting so mad that I posted this meme one time and I was like, you know what? All them likes will never translate to dollar signs. And now looking back today, I'm like, all these likes do convert over to dollar
yes,
signs.
They do.
And
every person matters every friend matters to you on Instagram. Every friend that you have is valuable to you.
Every friend, every like, every engagement, every interaction, every impression that you make on an individual on Instagram is important to the way that you can leverage this to become a rich citizen of high society. I'm kidding. But I'm serious though. Like, you might not become rich with Instagram, but what you can become is like someone who never has to pay for anything ever again.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't have to pay for shoes, I don't have to pay for clothes, I don't have to pay for food at times. Like, we get VIP entrance, you can go on vacation free.
Yes.
Like, anything that you want to do in life, you can do in life with Instagram.
Free entry to a lot of places with VIP, all type of stuff.
Free. If you like free, this is a video for you because we got a lot of free things to tell you and a lot of free gifts to give that can help you become rich.
So
as ironic as that is, because we should not be sharing this knowledge for free. But we are, because we love you and we think it's great. And you know, we ran with this for like a whole 3-4 year run, and we even now still to this day are doing this and leveraging content every day to continuously make money. But we feel that it's about time we help our fellow brothers and sisters because look, this is a big pie. This is a big river. This is a big financial abundance. If you only knew how much money was being made on social media, nobody is going to care. If you take your little straw, you dip it in there and suck out some money, some clothes, some shoes, some free stuff. Just get it. Nobody's going to care. We're all rooting for you. There's enough to go around, and there's plenty of companies looking to give it to you.
Plenty of it.
So, you know, like we said, we feel like we are some of the most, qualified people, if you will, to teach you how to do this because we've literally made something from nothing. And to just do more of a background of this for me and Marco, when we didn't quite have much money and we had just kind of moved from a small, poor city where we didn't understand that people were living large, we didn't really know that, how we could look richer, how we could, fit into high society. And so we just kind of faked it till we made it. So what we did would be go to thrift stores and then
pick out stuff, the best quality things, the good content, that look good on camera, and try to get the best name brand.
Exactly. That's exactly what we would do. We would just copycat what we've seen. Everybody's doing it. So you just take a look, find it for 99 cents at your local Salvation Army, put that on, as long as you got a cell phone and you ain't working with a flip phone.
We started off with an iPhone 5.
We started off with an iPhone 5, and then I set my iPhone down at Palms Palace, and someone stole it. So guess what we had to convert to? An Android. We were making content with an Android.
But still pushing out great quality.
And I mean like the $30 Android from Walmart, not like the Androids that there are today.
What a day.
What a day.
It was hard. That was hard getting that up.
Times was rough.
Yeah,
I remember just asking for just like, Marco, can we please just spend the money to get an upgraded iPhone to take better quality pictures? And he's like, no, girl, we're going to use that iPhone 5. What you think? We don't need to spend that money.
Yeah,
we going to make this money.
Yeah, we going to make it, yeah.
And look, we made this money. Yeah. So what we want to do is teach you how to transform your life and how to make money too. Like, there is so much of it out there. Why not take it? So with that being said, what we're going to talk about today, we've got a few notes here. Okay, these are our top 5, what did I call them? Our top 5 components of a rich photo.
Strategic ways. Strategic things
ways
on how to do it the right way.
5 things you must understand if you're going to post something on Instagram. The 5 things you must understand. Number 1, good lighting.
Good lighting is a must.
Hello.
She about killed me, complained so many times, so I had to get it right. And I really understood like good lighting. We all took up all of it. We both took up this basically freelancing on everything. I took up this photography freelancing. She did this photography freelancing, and you know, we just caught an eye for everything. You know,
YouTube can teach you anything you want to know.
Exactly.
I really don't believe in modern day college. I believe in learning on YouTube because you can make a killing doing that.
And most of y'all learning off of us too.
I make more money based on what I learned on YouTube than I do with my nursing degree alone. Like, I'm just being honest with you. So take that in seriously and just do what you want with it. But what we want to do is teach you how to make a good photo, how to make a rich photo, and how that can translate to fat pockets. So, number 1, good lighting. Good lighting, okay? Number 2, good background.
Oh, yes. Background is a must.
Come on. Simple.
Oh, man. It
less
gotta
is
be
more.
Clean. Yes, less is more.
Less is more.
But if it got a lot back there, it gotta be nice quality, clean cut, and natural.
It has to be. Look at the details. Don't stand in front of an old broke down door. I don't think you're gonna look rich. Don't stand in front. I mean, unless if that's the style you're going for. But if you're trying to look upscale and gain a lot of this kind of aesthetic of companies, then you're going to want to be in more areas that are clean, classy, and you can do this no matter where you are. It's just
where you are.
The matter of turning your camera a slight bit so people don't know you're standing in front of Chase Bank. Like,
Exactly.
come on.
Yeah.
There's people.
We did photos in front of a bank before. People don't even know it.
People don't even know it. They would never know. They're just like, wow, I love your life. You're so amazing. And I'm like, yeah, if only you knew how we took this photo in front of Chase Bank.
Yeah.
And that's why I really stopped liking Instagram, because I'm like, man, this stuff is so fake. But the thing is okay, why not teach other people how to do it? Because a lot of people do enjoy it. And so many girls are like going broke trying to get rich. So let's teach each other how to do this the simplest, most effective, cost-effective way. Okay? You need a good background. You need a good outfit.
A great outfit.
And before I jump into this and go into full details, if you guys really want to know how to get a good outfit, we have an ebook, 7 steps, a whole rule book that's designed to tell you how to look rich. So if you would like that, click the link down below, and we are so happy and excited to share it with you. Because you're going to learn all types of things about the quality of clothing, the types of clothing, the types of statement pieces, the materials, the accessories,
the colors,
how everything plays a part, how less is more, how your clothes should fit, everything. So we're not really going to go into that one. If you guys want to learn more details about that, let us know below if you'd like another, any other materials for that. But we actually have a 7-step ebook out right now, and we'd love you guys to take advantage of that.
Exactly.
So our next one is a good photo man or
gotta be good
woman.
Exactly. Yeah, you gotta have a good eye for it. Just if you don't have a photo man, if you have a child that's of age that can comprehend with everything, just stand in the right place and then have them take a picture and then look and then see if that's where you want to be. And then have them take it again a couple times, maybe 10 or 20 at the most.
But the best photographer is you. Because
Exactly.
if you are the photographer and you hold the photo in place, all you got to do is tell somebody to press the button. As long as you tell them where to press it.
Yes.
You're golden. I don't care if it's your Uber driver. I don't care if it's your security guard.
Yes.
Okay. You can do it. So, good photo person. And then once you got that good quality photo, the better photo you take, the less editing
The
you
better,
have to
yes.
do. But you gotta have a good edit.
You gotta
have a good edit, because if you don't edit that little pouch on your stomach, or you don't edit that little dirt on the ground,
Exactly. You gotta
think
edit.
Somebody's gonna like that photo?
Gotta edit
You don't
it.
add a little bit of detail to your stuff.
You got to.
Yeah, you have to edit your photo. And we can go over that if you guys would like to know more about how we edit our photos. Just let us know. Because
It's a strategic way that you got to edit your photos. You just can't go and just do it. It's a way you got to do it to make it look natural and make it look real.
Adjustments.
Yes.
Less is more, my friends. Less is more. That's 5. We told you guys all 5 tricks of the trade.
Yes.
So, I don't know. What else do you guys want to learn? Let us know. But like we said, we want to teach you how to get rich. We want to teach you how to look rich so that you can get rich. Because this isn't about just looking rich. Come on, let's be real. That's fake. That's just what people see. But Instagram is a highlight reel. You know what I mean? We want you to get rich. And the way that you can get rich is by leveraging these good quality photos to get you companies to back you up and pay you for your posting.
Basically sponsor you.
They'll sponsor you. So
we don't know how many free stuff that they sent you, and then eventually they start paying them dollars.
And then you start getting paid for it. And then whenever you incorporate a blog behind that, and you incorporate different things that go in with it, like YouTube, and you just collaborate all of your social media channels together, you are a powerhouse.
Yeah.
So, like we said, you want to look rich. Those are our top 5 tips. Good lighting, good background, good outfit, good photographer, which is you, and a good edit, and you're good to go. Don't forget to download our free ebook, The 7 Steps of How to Look Rich. We want you guys to have it. Give us your feedback. Let us know what else you'd like to see. If you like this video, if you've enjoyed anything of it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Because we want to keep giving you everything that you would like.
All the information.
We want to give the information to you, honey, from man and woman. You got it covered.
You got it.
Oh, okay. Anyway, so long for now.
Peace.